Brain test game solutions level 241 to 260. Level 241, pick the apples. Let's start doing as mentioned. So over here, the second apple is not an apple but a tomato if you look at it carefully. So don't click on it and click on all the other apples. Level 242, we need a fire. So we're not able to use any of the objects over here. Remove his hat and use his head as a reflective surface. Drag the cloud out so that the sun reflects to his head and forms the fire. Level 243, draw a triangle please. So we need to take the dot down so that we can form the triangle. Level 244, there are some weird things going on around here, find them. Let's look at the picture carefully. So the fish over here has an eyelid, fish normally don't. The crab over here has 10 legs, normally they have 8 one. The puffer fish over here has wings, which is not the case in reality. So these are the differences. Level 245, he needs some help. So he's shouting but we can't read what is it. So drag the word help from the question itself and let him call for help. Level 246, how can this be correct? So 8 plus 8 is equal to 91. 91 inverted is 16. So turn your device upside down to make this equation true. Level 247, which monkey has the longest tail? So we can't see the tail end. So let's drag this upwards and now we can see the full tail. So the monkey number 2 has the longest tail. Level 248, he wants the same burger. So the word same over here is important. So let's make him the same burger using the cheese and everything. Let's put them together to make him the same burger. Level 249, the computer works too slow and it makes him sad. So let's remove all the blocks from the CPU and now his computer is working fast. Level 250, oh no, he is late for work today. We need to change the date in the calendar. I hope it was that easy to be on time. Level 251, help the man reach his house. So you need to do this quickly by moving this block so that he can walk. Level 252, where is the dog hiding? So let's search and there it is. Level 253, get rid of this traffic. So turn your device upside down so that the gravity helps. Level 254, complete your SWOT training. So just drag his hands to make the SWOT movements. And the training is complete. Level 255, the ghost must escape from the traps. So once we start putting on clicking the buttons, the ghost will disappear. So remember the pattern. So I'm pressing it. So 1 down, 1, 2, 3 on the right, 2 more down, 2 more left, 2 more down, and then 4 to the right, and he escapes. Level 256, oh no, her flower is dying. So there is sun for the flower, we need water, so we can use this bucket to water the plant. Still it's not blossoming, so let's feed hay to the cow and use the dung as a manure for the flower to blossom. Level 257, help me fix my car please. Just drag the word fix from the question itself and easily fix your car. Level 258, save the town. So there are meteors. So make a wall by expanding this mountain over here. And save the town. Level 259, help him defend the little turtles. So press on this turtle's neck and now with his shell let him defeat the snake. Level 260, you must reform the face. So we will simply drag both the faces together. Thank you so much.